Another great place to search your topic is in the Find Facts tab. If you just type in American Revolution and then click Go, it'll take you to this resource called Credo Reference. Now, if you're in Mr. Russell's class, you wouldn't be able to use this entry because it's coming from Britannica and he does not allow you to use general encyclopedias. Now, if you're not in Mr. Russell's class, you might want to look at this particular entry right here that's going to give you a lot of information about it. Actually, it's a little short. It's not as long as I thought. So if you go back though, there was an entry that I thought would be perfect, and it's this one that's coming from down here a little bit, from American Governance. So you'll see it's a pretty big entry. It's about 8,700 words. To read it, just click on American Revolution. And you'll see it really talks about the revolution, the origins, the new king and imperial policy. And as you scroll down, it talks about the Continental Congresses, the Declaration of Independence, the diplomacy. It talks about the population and society. And I know you were needing to kind of touch on social issues and things that were going on. It talks about the Loyalists, the Native Americans, the war, the Treaty of Peace, the Articles of Confederation. So all of these things are happening, the state constitutions. So this is a good overview in a nutshell. Political and social changes right here. So it's pretty big. If you wanted to use it, you can print, email, or save it. You will see at the top of it that there are links to do all of that right here. So you'll see that the print, they don't have an email button, they have a share button, and you'll also see there's a citation button. So if you wanted to copy and paste the citation, you can just highlight and copy and paste it right here. If you wanted to share it and email it to yourself, you'd want to say that you'd want the full text, that you want it in MLA format, and then just fill out the information right there. And then click Go. So that's a great place to get a good overview of your time period, the American Revolution, and kind of a lot of the aspects that go with it.